Hello, I wish this was like right here, but I have to kind of set it down a little bit low. I hope you guys can hear me okay. Welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a super duper long video, so I just want to warn you guys ahead of time. If you have a cup of coffee or something, or a cup of pumpkin spice latte, or whatever your fall drink is, make sure you go ahead and grab that, because we are gonna go through and do this huge fall try-on haul. I love doing these videos. Every so often when the fall time comes around, I'll do a really big haul of just things that I've compiled, things that I've bought over the last kind of few months, and just transitioning into the fall season. I will say that a few of these items were gifted. I'll say that ahead of time just for transparency. I'm also not wearing any sort of face makeup today. All I'm wearing is eye makeup and a little bit of tinted moisturizer on my forehead. I have just been going through kind of a skin journey, so I really hope that doesn't bother anybody. I just decided I would not wear any face makeup and let my skin breathe a little bit. And also all of my jewelry and my Apple Watch band and all of that will be linked down below, as well as my earrings. Everything that you guys have questions about, everything you want to know, will all be linked in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But without further ado, let's just get started. So the first pair here that I have for this fall season are these Doc Martens in Sinclair. I got these from Tillys because Tillys actually reached out and they wanted to gift me with a few items, and I picked these out. I love these. They're so chunky. They're actually so heavy, and it's giving me kind of an arm workout. Like, I feel like I could, it's like a solid 5 pounds each, I honestly want to say. They're really thick. The sole is kind of a thicker sole, which I really appreciate because I'm only 5'3", so I do appreciate that. But they're a little bit different than the typical just lace up. I love the zipper. They're super easy to put on and off. That's kind of why I picked these ones out. And you guys, Tillys has some of the most amazing brands that I didn't even realize they had. So if you guys were on the hunt for these and they were kind of sold out everywhere else, I recommend that you guys try Tillys. They have a really good size range, and I feel like a lot of people just don't know that Tillys has all this stuff. At least I didn't either. And then I realized they have like North Face, Doc Martens. They have tons of different brands. So I have a few Tillys items that I'm going to show you guys in today's haul. The other pair of Doc Martens I got were the Jaden in white. So I fell in love head over heels over the Sinclair. I was like, I cannot stop. Doc Martens are always those shoes that you go back to in the fall, but I've never had a pair. So for me, I'm like, wow, these are so flattering on girls, just like anybody, no matter what size you are. They're just so flattering. I think the white definitely makes a statement. I am so excited to style these because I think a lot of people are really intimidated by a combat boot like this, but I've tried styling it a few different ways, and I actually really like the way that the white pops. It's definitely not something I would normally wear, but I actually got a few requests from you guys to style up these ones in white. So I copped a pair, and I wear a size 6. The 6 fits me really well. You definitely want to wear kind of thicker socks with these. My inspo for Doc Martens is very like Emma Chamberlain, Kendall Jenner. Those are the vibes that I'm going for when I'm wearing these or thinking about styling them. So make sure you guys are just following me on Instagram and on TikTok, because I'm doing a ton of fall fashion stuff there right now. The last pair of shoes that I got for this fall are these high top Superga high tops. Again, these ones are from Tillys. All 3 of those boots I just showed you are from Tillys. I don't have any white high tops. I only have black high top Converse, but I didn't want to do another pair of Converse, to be honest. They're super easy to style. They're just a good white high top shoe. You really can't go wrong with a pair of white sneakers. And yeah, so I thought this was worth mentioning. It does run a little bit big. This is a 37, and there's a lot of room for me because it's canvas. So keep that in mind. I'm just going to wear thicker socks with these, but yeah, I'm really excited about these ones. Now moving on to clothes, let's go ahead and start with some of the Zara stuff that I got. Over the summer, I really didn't shop at Zara for a while. I just felt like they didn't have any like cute things. Nothing was really speaking to me, but Zara never fails to come through in the fall and winter time. It is like honestly one of my go-to shops during the fall and winter. I've really been into denim skirts lately. Again, I've done a styling video on my TikTok, on my Instagram, so make sure I'm just gonna keep shamelessly plugging that in so that you guys go and check out my Instagram. I feel like patchwork is definitely coming back. It was definitely a big trend in the 90s and like early 2000s, and denim skirts definitely. I was never a denim skirt kind of girl, but I am head over heels. I actually am really excited about this piece. I like the finished hem, and I like that it's different patches of denim. I was watching a fall trend alert video from Kelsey Simone, and she said that dark denim is going to be a huge trend for fall fashion. So on the dark denim trend, I got these Levi's from Tillys, and these ones are the ribcage ribcage straight, I think that's what they're called. It's got a button fly detail, which is really nice because it flattens out my stomach. I'm gonna do a best denim video coming soon because I recently got a few new denim pieces that I wanted to show you guys. But yeah, this is so flattering. It's nice and stretchy, so I did size down to my smaller size. I'm always right in between a 27 and 28, and I sized down to the 27 because it does have a little bit of stretch, but I wanted it to fit very fitted. So that's what this is. The 28 probably could have fit a little bit more comfortably, but I would have had like a little bit of room in the stomach, and I kind of wanted these to fit like a glove. So I picked out the 27, and again, I think that dark denim is a great staple for fall and winter. I'm just really motivated. I don't know if it's because the weather's getting colder and I'm starting to pull out more of my pieces, but I just realized, with 2020, all the things that are happening, there's no reason for us to not end the year with a bang. Let's end the year on the right foot, on the right note. Let's really try hard to, live our best lives. I feel like it's been such a tough year, and what a challenge to just rise up above it and overcome this hard year and be like, you know what? I'm going to work really hard, and I'm going to look my best, and I'm going to do my best. And that's how I want to end the year. And so I'm just excited for you guys to see some of the outfit videos and like the different videos I have planned out for the rest of the year. I'm just really excited for you guys to see it. But dark denim Levi's, that was kind of a tangent. I don't know why I said that. Just finishing up some of the Zara stuff that I picked out. I got these cardigans from Zara. I got it in 2 colors because that's how much I loved it. They're these little crop cardigans, and they're nice and tight fitted in the sleeve like so. Crop cardigans are going to be such a big trend in the fall, especially ones like these. By no means do you have to go pick out these ones from Zara. There's a ton from the Goodwill, thrifting, all that kind of stuff. But it's always hard to show you guys thrifted pieces because you guys won't be able to get the exact same ones. But if you're on a budget, or you don't want to shop, with fast fashion or anything like that, I highly recommend shopping at Goodwill or Salvation Army or anything like that. They have some really nice pieces, but this is a really cute staple for the fall and winter time. It's just gonna be perfect because I don't normally wear crop tops, and for me, when I style these, I normally like wearing a high neck tank top underneath, or like a high neck bodysuit, and then just buttoning up the top button. Another Zara piece that I got is this skirt here. Like I said, mini skirts are such a big trend this fall, and I got myself a black mini skirt. It is a little bit short. I normally wouldn't wear a style like this, especially with like a slit here, I just thought, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go and get myself a mini skirt because when I'm young, I want to be able to wear the shorter hemlines and wear the pieces that, I don't know, that just inspire me and that make me feel hot. Like, I just want to wear that while I'm young and while I've got the body too, So, yeah, I picked up this mini skirt because I was just looking through and I was like, you know what, this goes well with my fall INSPO pin board. So yeah, I decided to get that. The next piece I got was a leather black blazer. Leather black blazers, I feel like faux leather is going to be a huge fall trend, and it's just such a staple to have. Tons of people wore these in the 90s, and I honestly feel like if I kept this for the rest of my life, I could probably give it to my daughter if I had a daughter, and she would be able to rock it and still get that same look. Like, you know what I mean? Like, trends and fashion just like comes right back around. So this was something I thought was worth investing in. It's faux leather, but it's super duper soft. I got mine in a size medium. It is a little bit oversized, but I kind of like that style, and it has enough room for me to put a sweater on or something chunkier underneath, which I really like. I'm like talking so much. I need to take a water break. Woo. And we keep going. The next piece that I got from Zara is this black bodysuit. I was inspired by Tony Sevdalis. She got this one in the kind of mauvey colorway, and it was so gorgeous on her when she wore it. So I was just inspired to get this one in black. I honestly wear lace camis all the time. I've recommended to you guys all the time to get yourself a lace cami, and especially because it's a bodysuit, it makes it that much easier to tuck it into things. So I got this crop cardigan. I got this crop top. Just like basic ribbed crop top. It is a little bit big on me, honestly. This one's a medium to large. It fits me well. It's just a little bit kind of big on the strap area, but it's okay. I mean, honestly, I feel like it's better for me to probably get this size than something smaller, because like it would be popping out, if like my boobs would be popping out. And then the final thing is these denim wide leg jeans from Zara. Zara makes one of the best jeans, honestly, but you have to kind of try it on. Not every single style has the same size, so it just all depends on the style. I cuff these here. I'm just debating right now whether I want to cut them or not. I wanted to see if I liked the more cuff style, because once I cut it, I won't be able to get that same look. Wide leg denim, just more like, not wide leg, it's not like bell bottom style, but like dad fit, kind of just like that big wider fit is really on trend as well. So I got these denim jeans. Again, I'm going to be doing a best denim video coming soon. I just kind of want to skip over that part of the video. Okay, moving on. From the Nordstrom sale, I got these earrings as well as this gorgeous Topshop knitted sweater. It's a really gorgeous fit. It's really oversized, just super cozy. Some of the other ones that I have are just really, 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 really long. So that's why I opted for this one, because it's a little bit shorter of a hemline. So the next sweater that I got is this one here. This sweater is by Obey from Tillys. I saw this and I honestly was just like thrown back to like my school years in private school. I got these trousers here from Obey as well. They're just like a plaid print here. Again, this one I got for a outfits video, but honestly, navy trousers are such a good fall staple. They go well with anything, and I feel like I see Kendall Jenner wearing navy trousers, or like Bella Hadid wearing navy trousers and like a crop top or a tank top or something, or a t-shirt, and then like an oversized button down, and it looks so cool on them. And honestly, I was like, wow, I really needed to get myself a pair of navy trousers. So this one's by Obey. I like the fit of it. I got a size 27, but it is a little bit big, but it's okay. I just belted at the waist. I feel like wearing crop flannels are a good way to just like wear some color during the fall and winter. So I got this. I thought it was really cute to style with like a mock neck underneath, which is how I'm styling it here. And you could honestly wear this with anything. You could wear it over stuff. You can wear it under things. You could wear it under a sweater and have the collar coming out. So there's tons of different ways to style this up, but it'll just be a good layering piece. I love Carpenter Pants. I love the way they look. They give me a very relaxed, kind of cool girl fit. I just love Carpenter Pants. I think they're just a wardrobe staple. And these ones, again, are by Tillys. I got in a size 7, waist 28. It is a little bit big, but I like that oversized look, like I said. And it's just got this like Carpenter vibe with all the pockets and things like that. They honestly remind me of my Carhartt jeans, which I am so excited to pull out again this fall. The next thing I got from Tillys is this t-shirt here. It's this oversized sunflower shirt. It's so comfortable. I am so obsessed. I love oversized shirts. I love just not only sleeping in them, but waking up in the morning and then pairing a pair of biker shorts underneath is like my go-to, especially right now because it's still really, really hot outside. So that's what I love wearing. Recently, I've just been throwing on a t-shirt, wearing a pair of biker shorts or denim shorts, long line denim shorts, and I call it a day. And then I decided to get something a little bit girlier. I felt like this whole haul was kind of like not manly. It was just like very this like the vibes of this haul is very like street style, kind of like tomboyish. So I decided to get myself a nice flouncy top, and paired with a pair of like long jeans or wide leg jeans is the way that I'd wear in the fall, just transitioning this with like an oversized jacket or even the blazer over with the oversized jeans. I think would be a really cute outfit. This also gives me like Tony Sevdalis vibes, and she's like always my inspo. The last and final piece that I'm going to show you guys in this haul are these pants that I just got in literally like 5 minutes ago, right before this video. They came in the mail, but these are by House of CB. These are just a pair of faux leather pants by House of CB. I'm not sure how I feel about these. These are so expensive, and I'm not sure how I feel because I got this in a size medium, but they are like kind of baggy on me. And for leather pants, I feel like leather pants should fit kind of like a glove. I don't know if that's just me, but like I feel like they should fit like that. Otherwise, it kind of looks kind of silly. So I did get these, and they're just a little bit big and they're a little bit long on me. But then as I kept wearing it, I kind of was like, oh, okay, I kind of like it. But then I looked around, like it's kind of big in my stomach area. So I'm just not exactly sure yet with these. For the price, I want it to fit perfectly on me. So I'm just not exactly sure about this one just yet. I don't know if I want to do the whole return for a size small. So I'm thinking about this, but that is the full haul, you guys. I know I just went through a ton of different stuff. I hope you guys don't mind. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did with a big thumbs up. Like I said, I'm just really excited for this fall and winter season. I feel like I'm back to being myself, like on YouTube, and just pushing out content for you guys because I know you guys love just like all the hauls and all the fashion videos and things like that. So make sure you're staying subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and on TikTok because I'm mostly filming and posting on those platforms because it takes me a lot less time to edit and post a video for you guys. So I post there more regularly, but for my YouTube channel I will be posting more. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys back here for the next one. Bye!